Hi, my name is Lana. My friends call me Leah. I moved here, well, it'll be 2 years in September. I am just so at home here and have made so many friends. Not only is the staff great and friendly and caring, which is what is the most important thing to me, is they actually really care about us. I've been in other places where it wasn't that way. And we just have a lot of fun. We're like a fraternity. I was living in another community, and I wasn't very happy there. They were raising people's rent. People were having to move out. I knew older people that had no place to live. They raised their rent so high they had to move, and they just couldn't find any place to live. It was really a sad thing. So I started calling around. I looked up all the communities, I called around, and they gave me a deal that I couldn't resist. They offered to move me for free. They did all my packing for me and everything. It was great. Well, I have to say that my favorite activity is with a friend called Misty. And she is the activity director here. She loves everybody and everybody loves her. And I'm really sincere about that. She's great.